1 minute. Don't interrupt me. Okay. All right, y'all. Go to add-ons. Everyone go to add-ons and click remove duplicates.
Yeah, we got it.
Once you have removed duplicates, you can, we're taking video. You can select all of these, okay, your cells. You go to your add-ons, you go to remove duplicates, and you're going to find duplicate or unique rows. What it's going to do is, as I work through this, is it is going to show me every single row that has a buddy that's the same as it. It's not going to separate them for me, but it's going to make it a lot easier for me to sort them out. So I'm going to go duplicates and first occurrences, click on that. I'm going to go next. Yeah, I want all of those. I don't want to skip empty cells. It's not case sensitive, okay? I'm going to go next. I'm going to fill it with this color, and I go finish. Okay. Now what this has done is, everything that's purple, it has an exact copy that it belongs with on here somewhere. Okay? So then, I'm going to go through and find them, and I go, look, these two ferns are the same as each other, but they're not quite the same as English ivy. I find them, and then as I work my way through and find the ones that are the same as each other, I'm going to give them a different fill color, and I'm going to reorganize my chart below. And set them up in groups so that eventually I will, and I'm going to recolor them as I work, so that eventually I can turn my chart into this, and now I have made all of these groups that are the same as each other, where I can start building my phylogeny and moving back towards the beginning. Cool, that's the video.
That's OP.